Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best smart plant sensors that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the RAINPOINT Bluetooth Soil Moisture Meter, a versatile 2-in-1 device that monitors both soil moisture and air temperature. This sensor connects to the RAINPOINT app via Bluetooth, providing real-time updates on your plant's conditions. The app is intuitive, featuring a plant library with data for 20 common plants, and even allows you to create a custom plant database. This makes it ideal for beginners or anyone who wants a straightforward way to monitor their plant's needs. The build quality is solid, with a compact design measuring just 0.3 by 0.5 by 1 inches. It's lightweight yet durable, and its accurate sensors offer fast and reliable measurements with a 2-second data refresh rate. Additionally, it can integrate with the TWG009 Wi-Fi gateway and ITV102B water timer for remote monitoring and automated watering schedules. While this product offers intuitive functionality and user-friendly features, it's better suited for indoor use due to its reliance on Bluetooth connectivity. Another downside is its limited plant database, which may not support more exotic species. Overall, the RAINPOINT Bluetooth Soil Moisture Meter is a good option for casual gardeners who want a simple, app-connected monitoring solution. Pros include its intuitive app, fast data refresh rate, and lightweight design. However, its reliance on additional accessories for full functionality might be a drawback for some. At number 4, we have the RAINPOINT Smart Digital Wireless Plant Moisture Meter, a comprehensive solution for real-time plant monitoring. This product stands out with its ability to continuously sample soil moisture levels every minute and provide updates via the RAINPOINT Home app. The app allows you to set custom thresholds for low and high moisture alerts, ensuring you never overwater or underwater your plants. It's a fantastic choice if you're managing multiple plants with varying needs. The design is robust, featuring waterproof and anti-corrosion materials that make it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Its advanced capacitive sensors deliver precise readings, and the package includes a mini Wi-Fi hub, pH test strips, and a Phillips screwdriver for easy setup. One unique feature is its compatibility with other RAINPOINT devices, enabling users to create a smart auto-watering system for effortless plant care. That said, the RAINPOINT Smart Digital Wireless Plant Moisture Meter isn't perfect. Its reliance on a Wi-Fi hub, sold separately, might be inconvenient for some. Additionally, its app integration could benefit from a more extensive plant database. Nonetheless, its real-time monitoring, customizable alerts, and smart home integration make it a strong contender for anyone looking to optimize their plant care routine. Taking the third spot is the Sinbetta Soil Moisture Meter 4-in-1, a smart and multifunctional device that takes plant monitoring to the next level. This product doesn't just measure soil moisture. It also tracks temperature, light intensity, and fertility levels. It connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth and integrates with the Flower Care or Me Home apps, providing detailed insights and recommendations based on a database of over 6,000 plants. The design is sleek and functional, featuring a long black stripe sensor for accurate soil readings. The stainless steel EC sensors ensure reliable nutrient detection, while the light sensor measures up to 100,000 lux with remarkable precision. This makes it suitable for a wide range of plants, from sun-loving succulents to shade-dependent ferns. It's powered by a CR2032 button cell, which offers up to a year of battery life. While this product is feature-rich, the app's interface can feel overwhelming for beginners, and the Bluetooth connection limits its range. Additionally, it's not ideal for users who want real-time remote monitoring, since it lacks Wi-Fi compatibility. However, the Sinbetta Soil Moisture Meter is perfect for plant enthusiasts who want detailed data to optimize their care routines. Its pros include multifunctionality, durability, and an extensive plant database. while its cons are the limited connectivity range and slightly steep learning curve for the app. Finally, at number 1, we have the Aquameter by Susty, a set of 5 soil moisture sensors that excel in simplicity and reliability. These small, lightweight sensors are designed to be left in the soil for continuous monitoring, a unique feature compared to other products that require manual insertion and removal. The Susty Aquameter uses a color-coded indicator, white when watering is needed and blue when the soil is adequately moist. This makes it exceptionally user-friendly, especially for beginners. The design is sleek and minimalistic, measuring just 0.4 by 0.3 by 4.7 inches, making it ideal for small pots and succulents. Each sensor is refillable and lasts 6 to 9 months, making it an eco-friendly choice. Susty even collaborated with Tokyo University of Agriculture to ensure the product's accuracy and functionality, which speaks to its quality and reliability. While it lacks smart connectivity or app integration, the Aquameter simplicity is its strength. It's perfect for anyone who wants a low-maintenance solution for keeping their plants healthy. The affordable price point of $21.56 for a set of 5 adds incredible value, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Pros include its ease of use, refillable design, and affordability, while cons are its lack of advanced features like remote monitoring or automation. Overall, the Susty Aquameter is our top pick for its practicality, quality, and unbeatable value. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.